Hi everyone, this is David with RE Website Pro and a tutorial on how to edit your website menu. So this client wants to change some things in her website menu. This list of buttons up here is an example of a website menu. Yours might look different. You might have a few different menus on your website that you need to edit. This is the process for editing any of them. So make sure you're logged into your website. You'll see Howdy up at the top and your name if you are. If you don't remember how to log in, please check out our other tutorial on logging into your website. And then go to your dashboard. And then on the left under Appearance, let that menu fly out and then go to Menus. This is where you can edit all the menus on your website. The first section is which menu you're editing, so make sure you're editing the top menu in this case. There's also on this website a footer menu that you could edit, but I want to edit the top menu. Okay, and now on the left-hand side are the items that you can add to the menu. And then on the right-hand side, this is a representation of your menu on your website. So you see the buttons that you saw on the home page: property search, neighborhoods, resources, etc. So in this case, to edit these buttons, I'm going to click one. I want to delete this one, so I'm going to delete community resources by opening it up and clicking remove. So it deleted that one. Now I want to edit this one that says about us, about me. So I'll click the arrow to open it up and I'll change it to what she wants it to say, about Cassie instead of about us. And then I'll close it because I'm done with that one. To reorder these buttons, just drag them around. So I want to put this one closer to the front of her menu. If you want to turn something into a drop-down menu, just drag it to the right a little bit. It will become indented, and that's how you make a drop-down menu. So now if I were to save this, these things would drop down under property search. I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to put them back. Okay. You can add things to the menu by coming to the left-hand side here and choosing from these tabs. You have website pages, blog posts, custom links, and categories. Under pages, and each one of these actually, you have a few tabs that say most recent, view all, or search. So in this case, I want to view all and add featured homes. So I'll choose that featured homes page and I'll click add to menu. Now it's over here on the right and I can move it around. So I'll put that near the property search. Okay. The custom links section on the left-hand side is very important. You can send people to other websites when they click a link. So let's say, just for example, I wanted to send them to a Google page. I don't think you'd ever really want to send them to Google like that, but that's just an example. Then we can type what we want the button to say and add it to our menu. So now I have a button here in the menu that sends them to Google, and I can drag it around like the other ones and I can save it. I'm not going to save that one in the menu because I don't really want a Google button in there. So I'll remove it. Okay, now I'm done editing my menu, arranging it the way that this client wants it. So I'll click Save. Menu has been saved. And then I'll go back to the website to see my changes. One easy way to do that is to click the name of the website up here in the upper left. Okay, great. So now I have property search, featured homes, the About button, and we removed the other one that we didn't need. So that's how you edit your website menu. Hopefully it's been a helpful tutorial. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to let us know.